Hello everyone, and welcome to this edition of the Rolo Report. I'm Saila Nipun, and today we're about to experience the flagship SUV model from Lynk Co., the revolutionary Lynk Co 900, a groundbreaking vehicle that not only pushes the boundaries of luxury and technology, but is also engineered to redefine what you expect from a large, family-friendly plug-in hybrid SUV. Today, we'll dive deep into every corner of this impressive machine, from its bold exterior design and dynamic powertrain to its state-of-the-art interior and smart technology integration. So, buckle up and join me for an in-depth look at the Lynk Co 900. Let's begin with the design. The Lynk Co 900 is a large SUV with proportions that truly command attention. Measuring approximately 5.25 meters in length, nearly 2 meters in width, and standing 1.8 meters tall, every line and curve of this vehicle has been meticulously crafted to exude elegance and confidence. Built on the next-generation Espa Evo platform, the 900 is designed to maximize interior space while maintaining an athletic and forward-leaning silhouette. Its long wheelbase of 3160mm ensures generous cabin space, an absolute blessing for families and executives alike. At the front, the 900 features a redesigned air intake and a digital lighting system with over 10,000 LED lamp units. These aren't just for show. They provide customizable light scenes for different driving modes. Whether you're parking, driving at night, or greeting fellow road users, the 900's dynamic lighting system creates a memorable impression. Look at these 23-inch alloy wheels, engineered not only for aesthetic appeal, but also for performance. Their bold design and flawless finish add a touch of sophistication, perfectly balancing the SUV's imposing stance with refined elegance. Now let's take a closer look under the hood. The Lynk Co 900 redefines performance with its hybrid powertrain architecture. Unlike earlier plug-in hybrid models, this vehicle adopts a revolutionary 2.0T plus 3 DHT configuration, an engineering marvel that combines raw power with enhanced efficiency tailored for today's drivers. At its core, the 900 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This engine is not only responsive and robust, but is paired with a state-of-the-art 48-volt mild hybrid system. In lower-spec models, you'll find a front-mounted electric motor, delivering around 160 kilobars, and a rear-mounted electric motor, generating up to 230 kilobars. Together, these components produce a combined output of approximately 530 kW. In the mid-spec version, the power output is bumped up to around 540 kW, while the top-end tri-motor variant pushes it all the way to an eye-watering 630 kW. That's around 845 horsepower. Imagine accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h in under 4.5 seconds. The Lynk Co 900 doesn't just promise power, it delivers supercar-like performance in a versatile, family-oriented package. With such a sophisticated powertrain, the 900 isn't just about raw acceleration. It's engineered to offer a balanced driving experience, combining high-performance output with the efficiency of plug-in hybrid technology. On a full charge and with the engine running, the 900 is capable of delivering a staggering total range of over 1,400 kilometers, thanks to its optimized hybrid system. But let's talk about the pure electric aspect. The 900 is equipped with an advanced battery pack, now exceeding 50 kilowatt hours in capacity, which provides up to 200 kilometers of pure electric range. This means that for daily commutes and city driving, you can enjoy an almost emission-free ride. And with support for fast DC charging, you can go from 20% to 80% battery capacity in as little as 17 minutes. That's a game changer for modern urban mobility. These technical feats are not just numbers. They are a testament to Lynk Co's commitment to blending high-performance engineering with environmental consciousness. In every detail of its powertrain, the 900 manages to deliver a driving experience that's both exhilarating and efficient. Step inside the Lynk Co 900, and you're immediately enveloped in an environment where comfort and innovation seamlessly blend. Designed with the modern executive and the discerning family in mind, the cabin is an oasis of advanced technology, state-of-the-art entertainment, and luxurious appointments. The seating configuration is versatile, offering options for both 6-seater and 7-seater layouts. In the executive configuration, the second-row seats can rotate 180 degrees, transforming the cabin into a living room, a space where rear seat passengers can face each other, complete with sliding tables and ambient lighting for an in-flight theater experience. Every seat is designed with comfort in mind, The front and rear seats come equipped with massage functions, along with heating and ventilation systems that adjust automatically to the ambient temperature. The materials used are of the highest quality, featuring hand-stitched Napa leather, metallic pearlescent fabrics, and translucent trims that add a touch of futuristic elegance to every surface. Every seat is designed with comfort in mind. The front and rear seats come equipped with massage functions, along with heating and ventilation systems that adjust automatically to the ambient temperature. The materials used are of the highest quality, featuring hand-stitched Napa leather, metallic pearlescent fabrics, and translucent trims that add a touch of futuristic elegance to every surface. Powered by dual Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295 chips, the infotainment system is not only incredibly responsive, but also customizable. From augmented reality navigation to real-time vehicle diagnostics, every piece of information is displayed with stunning clarity. And thanks to the advanced connectivity options, including wireless smartphone charging, multiple USB ports, and integrated voice control, staying connected on the road has never been easier. Beyond the digital interfaces, every inch of the interior is designed to maximize comfort and utility. The spacious cabin offers a remarkable 6.16 square meters of personal space, ensuring that even on long trips, every occupant enjoys ample legroom, headroom, and storage. In fact, Lynk has ingeniously integrated over 40 storage compartments throughout the cabin, a detail that ensures everything from your sunglasses to your documents is always within reach. Safety is paramount in any modern vehicle, and the Lynk 900 takes this responsibility to heart. Equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, the 900 is engineered to protect every passenger while ensuring a smooth and secure driving experience. Now, let's delve into one of the most critical aspects of the 900, its intelligent hybrid architecture and battery technology. Unlike many conventional plug-in hybrids, the Lynk 900 employs a sophisticated 2.0T plus 3DHT powertrain configuration, combining a potent 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with multiple electric motors to deliver both performance and efficiency. The hybrid system is engineered for versatility. In its entry-level variant, the 900 pairs a 2.0-liter turbo engine with a 1.5 kWh front-mounted electric motor and a 2.3 kWh rear-mounted motor, delivering an impressive combined output of roughly 530 kWh. For the mid-spec model, you'll see enhancements, with the front motor output adjusted to offer a more balanced delivery, bringing the total output to around 540 kWh. The two 30-inch 6K screens, one integrated into the dashboard for the driver, and the other fold down for rear passenger entertainment, are nothing short of revolutionary. These high-resolution displays serve multiple functions, from navigation and real-time vehicle diagnostics to immersive media playback for passengers in the back. With the ability to split the screen, the driver and passenger can access different apps simultaneously without any compromise on clarity or responsiveness. The intelligent all-wheel drive system, coupled with continuously adapting suspension, ensures that the car stays planted on the road under all conditions. Even when the road gets rough, the 900's handling is predictable and reassuring, giving you the confidence to take on any challenge with ease. In summary, the Lynk 900 sets a new standard for what a large plug-in hybrid SUV can be. With its imposing dimensions, cutting-edge hybrid powertrain, revolutionary suspension system, and a cabin that redefines luxury and connectivity, this vehicle truly embodies the future of automotive excellence. Whether you're looking for exhilarating performance, an eco-friendly urban commuter, or the ultimate family SUV that offers both style and substance, the 900 delivers on every front. It's a testament to Lynk vision of merging advanced technology with sophisticated design, all wrapped into one compelling package. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through the incredible world of the Lynk 900. I hope this deep dive has given you a detailed insight into the engineering genius, innovative design, and future-focused technology that make this SUV a standout in an increasingly competitive market. Until next time, drive safe, stay connected, and embrace the future of luxury mobility.